All right, you guys should be able to see me now. If you can see me, say hashtag I see you. Guys, we're in the new studio. We're working out the kinks. We're trying to finalize the sets and get everything ready. So sorry for the recent technical difficulties. So just let me know in chat if you guys can see me so we could jump right into it. We have a great show, as always. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at some of those spicy alts. We're going to be talking to chat. We're going to see if you guys want to shout out some altcoins. I will take a look at them. We're going to be taking a look at Cardano. We got DZ over here. Say what's up,
It's delayed.
I
got to keep leaning. I got to keep leaning. How does it not see me yet?
DZ underscore BTC, everybody.
I want to apologize officially and formally. I did forget to mention it. You have to literally put it on that sheet of paper.
Okay.
So
all right.
Here's
so
100 fake dollars.
Thank you very much. Look at that, guys. DZ pays up. Hashtag ATB if you came from ATB without DZ telling you to come over.
You're one of the real ones.
Yes, you guys are the OGs. Now I'm $100 richer.
Hey, Captain.
Thanks to that.
ADA.
Yeah.
We all like ADA.
Yes, yes.
Pump my Cardano NFTs.
Yes, I'm going to do my best, DZ.
But tell me if it's jumping so I can sell.
Yeah, guys, we're going to be talking about ADA. Right now, we are coming up to a seriously critical resistance point. If we can flip that resistance, if we can flip that resistance point into support, I think we can have a move higher. We're going to take a look at that, where you guys are going to be shouting out hashtag ADA. I see it in the chat. People are saying, what's up, DZ? Hashtag ATB. Yo, ATB gang coming through. DZ didn't even shout me out today, and you guys are coming back, so hopefully you learned something in the last stream. I think that's what that might be a sign of. So yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Smash the likes. Yesterday, we did smashed through our like goal. I did 3 challenges because I had to catch up, and I did run around the studio, and I took a little spill, bruised my elbow a little bit, but not a big deal. We're back. Put a Band-Aid on it. We're good. And just so you guys know, today I'm trying to be a little healthier. Today's energy is brought to you by just simple water. Just simple water. Nice and healthy, trying to stay hydrated, just to keep that energy up. So yeah, definitely just water today, because I got that natural energy. I've been going to the gym, feeling good. No Red Bull today. So yeah, who do we got in chat here? And I missed those chats. Hopefully you guys can see me. I assume you guys are sticking in here. I assume you can see me. Let's see. Who do we got? Captain Kirk, as always. What's going on? Jimmy Two Shoes, as always. Rafi, good to see you again. Will, thank you for coming in. Crypto in Texas, coming back. Saw you yesterday. Thank you for being here. A lot of hashtag ATBs. Hello from Bulgaria. Guys, you guys are coming in worldwide. I said it yesterday, Mr. Worldwide. No, I wasn't drinking Red Bull. What are you talking about? No, there's no Red Bull today. No Red Bull today. Okay, guys, just water. I got my big thing of water here. All right, guys. So let's jump in and let me share my screen real quick. Let's jump in and take a look at Bitcoin real quick. All right. So starting on the longer time frames, so obviously, I'm not going to go over what's happened in the past week. Obviously, we have the weekly VWAP coming up. Big news, guys. Big news. I know you guys have been waiting for it. Market Cipher 101 tutorial is now shot, filmed, in the middle of being edited. It will be up at some point tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. And also, my trading psychology video, for some reason, I went on my YouTube channel today, and it was set to private. I don't know what happened. It was live. It had a couple views. For some reason, it went private again, but it is live again now. So if there is one video on my channel that you guys have to watch, it is this one, because you got to get your mind right before you start trading, so those emotions don't come in and eat you up and get you stopped out of your trades and all that gross stuff that you don't want to deal with. So definitely go check that out if you didn't get to catch it yesterday before it went private for some random reason. YouTube's trying to take me down, but we're not going down easy. We're not going down easy. But here on the Bitcoin chart, again, we do have that weekly VWAP. And keep an eye out for tomorrow. You guys can learn what all these mean, how to read all the different waves, what the VWAP is, what the momentum waves are, what the money flow is, what you're looking for when trading. And yeah, so we have this weekly VWAP coming up, which we know usually ends up in some really, really good positive price action. So that's definitely a big bullish sign. We do have money flow coming down, right? So you do have conflicting information. Sometimes you have the money flow wave coming down towards the 0 line, but the VWAP coming up. But remember, just like over here, we had the green money flow coming down. We didn't cross into the red, came down again, almost crossed into the red, and then we came back up. So maybe we can see something like that here where we just come back into the green. We will have to wait and see, but definitely a bullish sign. That weekly VWAP is huge. So coming down to the 4 hour, let me pull up my other chart. Get some lines in here. Okay. So don't mind these, this looks confusing, guys. There's a lot of lines all over the place. But taking a look here, somebody deleted all of my lines, but we did, if you guys do watch the channel, you know, we did point out this key level of support, resistance at $45,000 for Bitcoin. We came up, we kissed it, we came back down, and for a little correction, right? And we do have some serious support right here at about $42,000. We were stuck under it for a while. We went sideways for a few days, and it's strong support. Let me draw a line here just so you guys can see at about 42. Let me just get the number right here. I'm doing it on the fly, so bear with me. So yeah, so you see we have reactions as resistance. We respected it as support. Scrolling back, if you guys watched the key level video, you know how to find these key areas. If you haven't, definitely go check it out. So you can see that we acted as support here. So really key level of support. So we rejected down, we're correcting, right? Now, we are coming up to test this level one more time, but I do think we could have a little bit of downside for Bitcoin, but I'm not too worried. 93 people, 93 concurrent viewers, 48 likes. Guys, smash that like button if you want to see me do something crazy and possibly fall and just eat it and hurt my elbow. We had a lot of fun last night. Last night's stream, I was having a good time. Chat was going nuts. It was awesome. I think that we're all drunk off the gala gains that we all got off of the stream last week. But so we come up, we test this line one more time, but we do have a little downside. I'm not that worried. I will explain to you why I think we do have some downside coming. But I do think this 42,000 level of support will hold. But if you come on to the daily, you will see you do have the daily VWAP coming down. But there's always a but, right? You have the money flow coming up from the red, coming towards the 0 line right here, which you know, and I will show you in the market cipher tutorial. This is actually bullish when you come up and cross over into the green. So this VWAP will cross down most likely and maybe bring us back down to test this $42,000 level around there. I don't know if it's gonna be 42 exactly, but this daily VWAP is making me think that we will have some sort of downside coming in the future. Just a little correction. If we did come from, say, bounce right off the top of here and come down even a little past, if we wick below this support line, 10, 11, something in this range I would consider healthy on the way back up to about, if you guys watch the channel, we're looking at 48,000, 50,000. And all my lines just got deleted. I don't even know what just happened. Let me just draw those real quick for you guys. So we got the 45 level that we're rejecting off right now. And now I can't draw lines, guys. First, oh, there we go. Okay. So we got 45, bounce off that, and then you guys know we're looking at, with the weekly VWAP, I do think it has the ability to take us up to 48, and then eventually maybe around 50. Probably make a stop at around 46. We do have some, support there or resistance there. So if maybe I'm thinking short term for Bitcoin, maybe if we don't just blast through this because of that daily VWAP, I think we could maybe come back down, test this area down here before coming up and hopefully breaking out of the $45,000 level, hanging out around 46, and before eventually breaking up to higher prices. But these are the levels I'm looking at, right? Breaking through 45. Maybe a little resistance at 46, right up to, then 48 and 50 as the next stop. And then we'll look at higher levels once, we get an idea of what the price is doing at those levels. But that is my general sentiment on Bitcoin. Let's check chat real quick. I'm kind of sorry that those technical difficulties threw me off, so I've been neglecting chat a little bit. Yeah, workman's comp with hundreds of witnesses. Lol, JK, glad you're good. KP, I appreciate that. Thank you for being here. Okay, you guys can hear me. Beautiful, beautiful. Frankie the Bull Candles. That is what they call me. Frankie the Bull Candles. Frankie Fibonacci. 104 people. Let's go. We're in the triple digits, guys. 65 likes. Smash the likes if you want to see me possibly hurt myself at the end of this stream. I'm just kidding. I'm going to try not to hurt myself. Let's see. Texas here. Derek B from Texas. Thank you for being here, my man. Keep up the great work, John says. Thank you, John. I appreciate that. Jimmy Two Shoes, as always. Hashtag chart boss. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's see. Frankie Freestyles. Jesse says Frankie Freestyles. If you saw my stream where I rapped, you'll know that I'm not the strongest freestyler, but it was all in good fun. BTC to the moon. Meta Money. Let's go. We got Meta Money in the house. If you guys aren't following Meta Money or subscribe to their YouTube channel, definitely go check them out. They teach you how to make money playing video games. Who doesn't want to do that? So definitely check them out. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate it. Let's see. I always get a little boost when the team pops in. I always get a little boost. Let's see. God, hello from Slovenia. You guys are coming from everywhere. We got money. Garrett, what's going on, man? Captain Kirk. Hashtag the Frankie Candles crew. Smash them. Let's go, Captain Kirk. Let's see. Dallas, Texas. Arizona. We're all here. We're all here. Did you watch Crypto Face stream earlier? Will, I did not see Crypto Face's stream earlier. Maybe I'll check it out right after I get out of here. Morgan Mitchell says, yo, Frankie, glad to be here. Hashtag value. They're learning stuff. You guys are learning stuff here. That makes me happy. Hashtag ATB. Let's go. Max Payne Law. Ada Gang. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. Let's go. Frankie Candles crew, smash them, baby. Get them likes today. We're getting the likes. We're already at 76. We've been live for like 15 minutes. Let's go. 112 people. Welcome to the stream, guys. All right. So just to give you guys a little update on my dot trade, let me just pull out my phone. We're coming up to resistance here. Just a little update on that. We are still up 293%. Healthy gains. My stop loss is in profit. As you guys know, I always recommend keeping your stop loss in profit when possible, or at least at your entry point. Hey, that way, if you lose, you're not really losing. You just get kicked out of the trade. You don't lose any money. And if you get stopped out in profit, you're making money either way. Imagine that. You'll lose the trade technically, right? It comes and hits your stop loss, but you win the trade because you're making money. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. But yeah, let's actually take a look at DOT here real quick. Coming down to the 4 hour. Look at that random line, guys. We love those random lines here. You just think you got the little grab tool and you got the brush tool every time. Let's come down to the 1 hour. Zoom in a little bit, as they say. Okay, is this our line? That's our line. Okay, so fighting this fib level, fighting this 0.5 fib level. Can we break above it? We're landing right on this $22 support level, excuse me, that we had drawn, using our techniques that we use to find key levels. Hopefully we can just, let's go 15 minute here. Let's see what the price is doing. Yeah, look at that, guys. Came right down, stuck this support. Maybe we could come up. We got the VWAP coming up. Come on, Polkadot. I got to take more profits. I want to take more profits. Gala, checking in on Gala. Oh, baby, look at that. Look at that. What is this? This is a 15 minute. Oh, look, she's pumping, guys. She's pumping. What's going on? What's going on? We're pumping. We're pumping. Look at them go. All right. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. I love when you get the candles moving like this. This is great. Okay, cool. So are we catching? We're catching a live. We're catching a live little Gala pump here on the 15 minute. Let's go. All right, that actually looks decent. Obviously, on most of the coins, right, you do have the VWAP coming down on the daily. So that kind of bearish short-term sentiment does stick around on the altcoins. But hey, we've seen Gala not care, right? Gala just does what it wants, just like Atom does sometimes and DOT does sometimes. But yeah, XRP at 88 cents, guys, 88 cents. Let's come down to a smaller time frame. Yeah, working our way up to this next fib level. Finally, good to see XRP move a little bit. If ADA, we're gonna talk about ADA, guys. We got hashtag ADA gang. If you guys are in the hashtag ADA gang, we're gonna be taking a look at it. We're at a key level of resistance, and if we can break out, I'm gonna show you guys some targets. I'm going to be looking for trades on ADA. Hey, maybe if it happens, hopefully we could catch it on stream. Super fun. And I think I got some ideas for the Wheel of Punishment or the Wheel of Opportunity, we'll call it. So we're going to be talking about that later too. But yeah, we're going to be talking about ADA, so stick around. I'm going to show you guys the targets that we're looking at. ETH, right? ETH, I was actually looking for a short. I was actually looking for a short on ETH. I did not get into the trade, but it is, let's go to the 1 hour. It just started pumping. So as you can see, so I was looking for a divergence here. And we're going to be talking, guys, if you want to learn about divergences, put hashtag divergence or something that lets me know in the chat so we can go over that. I'm going to be making a video about it, about them. And yeah, we're trying to, we're doing a lot, guys. I'm shooting my own videos. We're editing them. I'm live streaming every single day. Got to get ready for these. So we got a lot going on. I'm really trying to get these pre-recorded videos out to you so you guys can apply what you learn and start making money. And hey, some of you guys already are. We got the hashtag Gala Gang. They already hopped on the rocket ship. XRP, we caught that. So definitely, subscribe if you're not subscribed. But yeah, we're trying to get this out for you guys. The market cipher tutorial will be out tomorrow. I'm going to kind of show you what everything means, how to read it, and you guys can hopefully, if you have market cipher, you can apply this and start to make some money. And you're not going to need Market Cipher for everything, right? I'm going to be going over a lot of Market Cipher stuff and a lot of traditional stuff. So if you don't want to pay for Market Cipher, you don't have to. I definitely recommend it if you can afford it. But if not, no worries. I'm going to show you how to do it without. You're going to use the free trading view and some free strategies, free, classic, good old school TA. So you won't need Market Cipher, but it definitely helps. Super powerful. All right, let's see. Frankie, bringing the knowledge. Absolutely. Who said that? Neil, thank you. Yes, we're bringing the knowledge today. My goal is for you guys to make money. I said this yesterday. My dot trade's up multiple hundreds of %, and that doesn't make me nearly as excited as I was when you guys were telling me that you made money on Gala and XRP in the chat the other day. That makes me so much more excited than my stupid dot trade. When you guys make money, it makes me so much happier. Because that's the goal. That's, we're building a community here. We're all going to help each other make money. 140 in the chat, 140 viewers, guys, 95 likes. Smash the likes, guys. I know I say it all the time, but I do deliver. I say hit the likes, and I deliver at the end of the stream, though. You could ask any of the OGs in here. Let's see. Okay, you guys want to learn about the divergences? Eric says Frankenacci. I like that. Let's see. Divergent knowledge for the plebs. Okay, Neil. All right. We will we'll hook some people up with some divergence action. Anyone an editor? Morgan says anybody an editor. Let's see. Excited for the Market Cipher tutorial. Karen, yes, keep an eye out for it tomorrow. I tried to finish it today. I just ran out of time. I had to hop on here. Guys, my dad is in the chat. What's up, Dad? Look at me. Super happy you're here, Dad. I appreciate it. It means a lot for you to be here. So sit back and enjoy the show. And tell our dogs I said hi. But yeah, so we'll take a look at some divergences. We'll take a look at ADA. Much love from Minnesota. You guys are coming on. We're all over the world, all over the US. This is amazing. Who do you class as OGs? Everybody who comes back to the stream. If I recognize your name, you're an OG. But yeah, guys, we're here in the New York Bagel Factory. We're making those egg everything bagels, the best in the world, because we're making that bread. We're making that money. All right, so we'll take a look at ADA first, right? Let's take a look. Look, I got my line drawn already. I'm prepared for you guys. Okay, so you see that we were, we came up, we had this level of resistance at $1.20, right? Remember, we talk about psychological resistance and psychological support, right? Those even numbers. We have a lot of people who get those even numbers. They set their limit orders. And so when price gets up to that level, you have all those orders waiting to be filled at those nice even numbers. And that's what makes them such strong points of support and resistance. So you'll see right here, we did get a little resistance, but we came back down, broke out, and then we couldn't hold it, came back down, and now we're kind of just tickling this level here. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's see if, yeah, guys, we're binging and bonging here. We're binging and bonging. But if you guys do remember what I said, right, about when you're approaching resistance and you see these lower highs, right, lower high, and you get that line like this. Let me get this out of here so it doesn't confuse you guys. When you get these lower highs coming up, approaching resistance, more often than not, you break out. Nothing's 100%, remember that. But more often than not, it's probable that you will break out. I guess we'll see it play out here. But if we can break this level, this is what I'm looking for on ADA. If we can pop up out of here and come down and retest this resistance level, if we can flip it into support. So if we come up and we come back down, I'm looking at this area for a possible long position. And if we get our ruler tool, if you are able, let's just say you're the best trader in the world and you catch the bottom, and from there to the top of this next resistance, which is at $1.30, another psychological level. This would be the next level I'm looking at. If I do enter this long right here and I take that trade, I will be looking to take my profits. Maybe not exactly at this line. I do take profits on the way up. I don't just wait to get to the top. But this is an 8% move, right? You put a little 10x leverage on that, you're making 80% on your money. Obviously, if you guys watch the channel, we preach risk management, having a strategy, safe trading. We are not gambling. We are not gamblers. When I gamble, I do it in Vegas or Atlantic City when I'm in New York. And we do not gamble when we trade. We take thought out. We have processes. We have strategies, and it's all calculated. And every time we set our stop loss, it tells us how much money we're going to lose. And if you're not okay with the money you're going to lose, then you're trading with too much money. It's a big mistake that a lot of people make. Only trade with a little bit of your account. If you have $100 in your account or $1,000 in your account, don't trade with $1,000 on every trade, right? You want to trade with a portion of it. It's all about slowly snowballing your money up and not just dumping it all in with 100x leverage, and then you get liquidated. And it's not how you do it. But let's check chat here real quick. Let's see. Let's go, Brandon says, Frankie the Footlong Candles. I don't know how I got that name, but people like to call me that. My dad says, hey, Dino. Dino, I like that. Dino Spumoni. Let's see, higher lows. Yes, higher lows. Are you longing Cardano? Not currently. I just mentioned if we do break this resistance and we're able to pop up and come down to test this as support, that is when I will be looking for a long. Let's see. Welcome to the stream. Rafi says, welcome to the stream. Your son is absolutely killing it. Thank you, Rafi. I appreciate that. Rafi's been coming back into the chat, showing face to all these. So happy. 151 people in here, guys. Smash the like button. So happy to have you. Hopefully you guys can learn something. We're going to be looking at divergences today. I just gave you a little bit of the Sunday sauce here with the ADA. So just to give you guys an idea of what I'm looking at, right? $1.30 for the next resistance level, psychological resistance. I would bet that we're going to see a reaction off of this when we get up there. So just keep an eye out on that because ADA's been sleeping, right? Everybody's all like, oh, God, Cardano won't move. Cardano won't move. Everybody's just like disappointed in Cardano. But I think maybe if we could pop over here, we can get a nice little move. Okay. Let's see. Thomas, you did not miss any trades. We're just talking about Cardano and where I would be looking at a long position. If we crack this resistance, test it as support, that's where I'm looking for a long. Let's see. Making that money, honey. Blanchard's Bees, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Guys, we're already over 100 likes. We've been streaming for 27 minutes. Easy money. Let's go. I think we're probably going to hit some resistance at 125, but I know you guys will break that resistance at 125 likes, right? Let's see. ADA entry at $1.32, up 42%. Let's go, Brandon. I guess I'll just say your name. I just say your YouTube name. Let's see. Will you freestyle for us? Jesse, I publicly embarrassed myself freestyling last time. So actually, you guys don't know, Captain Kirk is coaching me on the side how to freestyle, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to blow you away. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, my name is Elliot. Thank you for starting this channel. I've just started trading and fed up of people on YouTube saying you can't trade crypto. Yeah, you could definitely trade crypto. I think a lot of those people who say that are just mad at the fact that they approach trading as gambling and they lose all their money and they just don't trade smart. There's a lot of hate around it. Now, it is hard, like, it is risky. There's a lot of emotion involved. That's where a lot of people get caught up. It's in the emotion. So that's why I recommend funding your Femex account. By the way, Femex link will be, I forgot to put it in here, but my Femex link, I will put it in the link, the description below. If you guys want to sign up for Femex and trade, you could click my link and sign up there for free. You may need a VPN depending on where you live. But yeah. I think it just got a bad taste, right? A lot of people, most day traders fail. It's a very, very hard thing to master, especially the emotions. I think that's where most people get caught up. You got to separate yourself. If you have too much emotion while you're trading and you're constantly checking your phone or checking your computer to make sure you're not down, you're probably trading with too much money. You can put your stop loss, put your take profit, trust your TA. You're going to be wrong sometimes. You're going to lose trades. But that's why you have the stop loss. You've already accepted the loss that you're willing to take. So yeah, no, I'm happy to teach you, Elliot. I'm here for you. Let's see. If I start trading and it's because of Frankie Candles. Let's go. Let's see. Hey, ciao, paisano, Lucian. Let's go, guys. We had Italy. We had the homeland in chat yesterday. Loved it. Love to see it. Isn't it rare to use the 18-minute chart? Thomas, yes. We are just. I have the 18-minute. I look at all the time frames. I'm constantly deleting and adding time frames up here. So like 24-minute, like that's a random number. 6-minute, random number. But a lot of people tell you like, oh, they make fun of you for looking at the low time frames. There's information on all time frames. I look at all time frames. You could hate on me for it, but there's no reason to. I'm not on the one. I don't really trade off the 1 minute that often, but like there's information on all charts, right? You could see something on the 1 minute that's going to signify something happening that's going to kind of flow into the longer time frames. So I look at everything. VK, welcome back. Missed it yesterday, no problem. You're here today. That's all that matters. Thumbs up from Portugal. It always blows my mind the countries that are in this chat right now. Is there Femex for mobile phones? Yes, they have a great app. I love it. It's very easy to use, and you could trade on the go. Or if you're in a trade on your computer, you could at least keep an eye on it. Guys, 180 people. Let's go. We're running it up. We're running it up. The like goal for this stream is going to be 250, and we'll do a fun challenge at the end of the stream. Frankie Candles to 100K before Bitcoin. I hope so. I hope so. Let's see. Gala is pumping because Snoop is dropping an album. Snoop Dogg is dropping an album on their blockchain in like an hour. Oh wow! See, you guys are informing me. I did not know that. I did not know that. Okay, let's check it out. Is it pumping live here? We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, Captain Kirk's got to go. No problem. You're loyal. You're loyal. We know you. We'll see you again. We'll see you again. Have a good one, Captain Kirk. Mr. Ali, I can't really see your name, so I hope I didn't butcher that, but it says, I am your student. Oh, I am happy to have you. Let's see. When do you buy crypto for loading up your Femex? Oh, where do you buy crypto for loading up your Femex account, or do you just buy? I don't buy directly on Femex. I'll buy on something like KuCoin or Coinbase and then send it directly to Femex. I'll just send it over, and then that's what I use to trade. Let's see. Hi from Germany. Saw you today. First time on BitBoy Crypto. Let's go. SA, welcome to the family. You're part of the familia now. Welcome. We're making dough here. We're making that money. And I'm giving you the Sunday sauce on how to trade and make money. Let's see. I'm seeing a breakout above 300. What's up from Australia? I'm at work. Sin City moving today, 30% last 4 hours. Short Gala question mark. I mean, I don't want to give you like direct signals, but I mean, it doesn't, let's see. Yeah, guys, so we were talking about this on Gala, right? We smashed through this Fibonacci level right here, almost tested as support, launched through to the next fib level, tested it as support, launched through the next fib level, tried to hold on. Let me zoom in so you guys can see here. Right here. So we smashed through. We tried to hold the level here. Couldn't. Broke down before shortly coming back up. Now we're trying to hold this level again. Can we hold it? I think for the short term we will. Maybe we see it run up to this next fib level at about 39 cents. Test it one more time. But we will keep an eye on it, especially if there's news coming out right now. Neil says, let's go. 250 likes is nothing. 187 people, guys. Let's go. Getting that bread. Hey, Frankie, met you in Austin. Glad this channel is up and running. Great work. Keep it up. Thank you, Charles. I appreciate that. I do remember you. I remember everybody I meet at the meetups, guys. The BitBoy Crypto meetups are amazing. We get to meet all the fans, and everybody's super cool, like-minded. Crypto people are great. They really are just the best people. Tyler Jordan says, hashtag Sunday sauce. Speaking of Sunday sauce, I'll give you a little bit. Let's talk about divergences, guys, because this is really powerful when you're trading. So basically, I should have pulled up like a little infographic here, but let me see. Let's see. Let's get out of Gala, see if we can find one real quick. Let's go maybe Bitcoin. We'll go ETH. ETH is a little... Let's see. So basically what you're looking for, hey, let me go solo right here. Basically what you're looking for when you're looking at divergences is when you're using Market Cipher, right? you're looking for momentum. I don't know why I switched the face camera because I'd rather show you guys on the actual screen. But basically what you're looking for divergences is you're looking for price to be moving up as momentum is going in the opposite direction, right? Depending on if there's bullish divergence and bearish divergences, right? So let's see. Is this a divergence? Let's see. So basically what you're looking for here is you're looking for price. So like right here, from the top of this wave to this wave, it's kind of hard to see just because it's not that much different. But you see how this wave is higher than this wave, right? Signaling that momentum is going down slightly, right? So you're looking for these divergences in these waves where it's higher and then the next wave comes up lower and you can draw a line like this. And then you're also at the same time looking for price to be making, basically going up, right? So you kind of get this, you get a line going up this way and a line going down this way, and it kind of makes like a alligator mouth. And that would be a bearish divergence. You're looking for shorts on bearish divergences. I was looking to short ETH earlier, but it just kept going up a little bit. But yeah, so this would be an example of a bearish divergence. And then bullish divergences would be the opposite where, let me see if I could find one for you. I'm trying to find like a clear one. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's see. Giving you guys the Sunday sauce here. We're going to have in detail tutorials. I try to explain this stuff really quick on stream. So I'm sorry if it comes off rushed, but I don't want to cover all of it because we'll get stuck here talking for hours. And we got plenty of other stuff to talk about. But basically, let me see. Is this? Yeah, okay. So basically for bullish divergences, you're looking for the opposite. You're looking for your momentum waves on the bottom of Market Cipher B. I'll give you a little sauce from the Market Cipher video that I shot today, right before, this is a little sneak peek. So on Market Cipher B, it's split in half, right? So you see there is, I know there's a lot of stuff on here, guys, but you have this is a good way to show you. You have this green wave right here, right? This is the top of Market Cipher B, and then you have a white line right here, which is basically the half point, and then you have this red wave down here, right? So the top up here is above the zero line, right? And then you have down here is below the zero line, right? So you have one here and one here. You have the momentum waves on this side and the momentum waves on that side, right? So what you're looking for is, let me stretch this out a little bit. Okay. So what you're looking for is for price. Oh, now I lost my, okay, is this low? Okay, so I guess this is a good example. Zoom in a little bit. So you're looking for your momentum waves on the bottom of the zero line to be going up, right? You want them to be angling in the upward direction, right? So right here's a little one. And then you want price, right? You want price to be coming down, right? And this is the opposite of that alligator mouth, right? And this is the opposite where you almost have like a pinch point, right? This is a bullish divergence. So you got your line coming up here, you got your line coming up this way, your line coming down that way, and then look at that. And you get a green dot down here. You can use that as another confirmation. You get a move to the upside. Let's see what kind of percentage it was. Let's say you caught it right here. That's an 11% move. We are on the 4-hour chart. Let's see how long you would have had to wait for those sweet gains. So you come up here, we'll call it 11% in almost 2 days. So 2 days, and you put 10x leverage on that, that's a good gain. So that's just a little example. I'm going to cut it there because we're going to have in-depth tutorials on specific things. It gets a little more in-depth than that. But just generally, you're looking for price to come down, and for a bearish divergence, you're looking for price to be moving up while your momentum is going down, and then vice versa for the bullish divergences. If you just learned something, hashtag value in the chat, hashtag bing bong in the chat. Either one will work. I like to know if you guys are learning something on the channel so I can provide some value. We do like having a lot of fun on this channel. I like to think that we're the fun trading channel, but I do want to make sure you guys are learning stuff too. So let me know. If you learned something, hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. If not, put hashtag not. I don't know. Let's check on chat a little bit here. Surfing this chop. Illusions of Hope says they're surfing this chop. I love to hear that. We say this a lot on this channel. A lot of people like to trade these big moves, which is great if you could get in at the top for a short or the bottom for a long. But guys, when I always bring up, here we go, we're gonna bring up the classic Adam example, because this is the most, when you get stuck in a channel like this, right? Boom, 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 bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong. You're in this channel. This is great to trade, right? This is where money is made. This channel is about 20%, right? So you could catch, I mean, if you catch that with 10x leverage, that's a 200% gain, and then it's 200% back down, 200% back up, 200% back down. Are you going to catch it from the exact bottom of the channel to the top? Probably not every time, but 20% gives you plenty of room to get those gains. I mean, you could come up to here and take your profits, and you're still making pretty good money. So that's what he means by surfing the chop, right? If you're going sideways on something, he's surfing these little waves, day trading them, scalping them, and just jumping in, grabbing his bag, and running away like the Hamburglar. Let's see here. Getting that bread. Let's go. Sunday, hashtag Sunday sauce. Let's go. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong, hashtag value. Love seeing that in the chat. You guys are learning something. Those divergences are really powerful, so make sure you keep an eye out for that tutorial video on divergences and other trading strategies we'll be having. We'll be making tutorials on, so you guys can make that money. I know some of you are already making money off what we're talking about in the stream, which makes me super happy. So let's see here. Yes, someone, let's go. Brandon says, trigger wave is an uneven butt cheek. I think I've heard Jason Casper say that. I don't know if he coined that term, but I think he might have. Yeah, what he's talking about is, let's see if we can find some uneven butt cheeks here. Yeah, maybe right. I'll try to find a good one for you guys. Try to find a juicy uneven butt cheek. So here you go. Here's a decent one. Yeah, so like an uneven butt cheek, right? This would be an example of even butt cheeks, right? You got one cheek, two cheeks, right? And then you see here, you got one butt cheek coming down, and then this one doesn't come down as much, obviously uneven. And then look at that, you got that momentum going in this direction, right? And you have price coming down like this, and then the rocket ship takes off. So yeah, good call out on uneven butt cheeks. Let's see. What do you scan? I don't. Glad just tweeted saying, let's see. Hashtag bing bong, hashtag value. I gotta go fix my car now. I'll check the stream later. Thanks for the sauce. Hey, Trap, anytime. I got you, brother. Let's see. Hashtag value. Lots of hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. That's what we like to see, guys. Let's see. Somebody was asking, oh, that's why you said uneven butt cheek. Someone was asking what a trigger wave is. Yeah. Trigger waves can also come in the form other forms rather than uneven butt cheeks. But I'll try to find some of those in a minute. But those uneven butt cheeks play out, let me tell you. Let's see. I need to hear you recommend the next gala. Thomas, were you the one that were you one of the people that was saying that you took that move and made some money? Let me know in the chat if you were. We will. I don't want to right. I don't want to water down these calls, right? When I give you guys calls, I want to make sure I'm as certain as possible, or I have probability on my side. I don't want to just give you guys a lot of calls and only some of them are right. I'd rather wait and get like a good call that I feel safe telling you guys, and never just do what I say, guys. This is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. If you're watching a YouTuber and you're just taking their advice, I promise you, you're doing it wrong. And then so what I say is never financial advice. I just show you what I do. I tell you what I see on the charts. I let you know if I think I would buy at a certain price or where I would take a trade. What you do with the information is up to you, but never financial advice. Do your own research. Go check other people, what they say. Go do your, go look at the charts yourself. Maybe your TA shows something that mine doesn't. So definitely do your own research, but I will be these calls will keep coming. We'll keep coming. I just want to make sure they're extra spicy. I want to give you a little bit of extra everything seasoning on your egg everything bagel there. Let's see. M. Weil says, bing bong. How do you scan the markets for good trading opportunities each day? Do you use news aggregators like Crypto Panic or other strategies? Good question, Ammo. Yeah, I do use. I love Crypto Panic. If you guys don't know what Crypto Panic is, they give you updated news stories on crypto by the minute, literally by the minute. So I do look at Crypto Panic. I always check the news. You got to stay updated. That's only, that's part of it. But yeah, a lot of time looking at the charts, checking market cipher, and also just like time in the market, right? Experience, like, just kind of trying to over time figure out how the market behaves. No one's able to figure it out 100%, obviously. But yeah, just practice, time, a lot of lessons learned the hard way in the beginning. That's why I hope my channel is able to help you guys avoid making the mistakes that I made in the beginning. That's why I tell you to trade responsibly and have your stop losses. Don't trade with your whole account. And yeah, you gotta be safe, So I like to try to teach you from some mistakes or some lessons that I've learned when I was just starting out. I didn't take that trade. That's why I don't want to miss the next one. Thomas, I got you. The next one, I'll call you out and I'll let you know personally. Let's see. If you guys are wondering what he's talking about, real quick, if you come over to Gala, we were looking at Gala over here. There we go, one of those random lines that always happens. Okay, whoa, what is going on with this chart? Okay, there we go. So we were looking at Gala, and it was right about here. You guys could go back to the stream. I think it was last Friday. I think it was, I don't know. It was like, it was around this area. And I was saying that it looked like, obviously never financial advice, but I was saying, if you're feeling like, bullish and you think we're going to have this breakout that we were looking for on Bitcoin, and, if you were feeling good about Gala, I was saying that this was looking like a real good time to buy. And some people were able to make some money off of that call, which is amazing and makes me super, super happy. So that's what he's talking about with the Gala call. We also looked at XRP, which basically, I won't even pull up the chart because it looked exactly like this. And I said that looked like a juicy time to pick up some more XRP as well. How did that play out, actually? I know it's up. Yeah, same thing, guys. I mean, look at that. Right here, we were looking at it. And then you get a mean 51% gain without leverage. If you jumped in there with 10x leverage, that's 511%. 500 something percent. And then Gala was a nasty 106%. Come on. Yeah, that was a juicy move. I was very proud of that one because I was expecting that. Strong calls is what we're here for, Frankie. Hashtag sharing the sauce with Frankie. Neil, absolutely. I got my pot of sauce here. I got my spoon, and I just give it to you. I just give you a little bit of sauce every day, every single day, 5 days a week, same place, same time in the New York Bagel Factory where we make that bread. Let's see. Nothing wrong with mistakes. It's how you learn. Crypto in Texas. Yeah, absolutely. 200 viewers, guys. We cracked 200 viewers, 170 likes, guys. Let's get those likes up to 250. We'll have a little bit of fun at the end of this stream. 204. We're cracking it, baby. We're cracking it. Let's go. You and the channel are a huge help. Thank you. Hey, Ammo, I love to hear that. I love to know if we're providing value and you guys are helping it. You seem like you guys are liking it, which is why I keep coming back. I keep coming back with that extra sauce. I'm in the kitchen. I'm slaving, making the bagels, making the Sunday sauce. You know what I'm saying? That's why I keep coming back. Discord soon. John, yes. Like I said, we're just getting the channel up and started. So I do have a lot on my plate right now. I'm trying to get the videos, tutorials out for you guys so you can get up and running. The 5 streams a week is a lot of work. I have to prepare for them. So just bear with us. I do think we have someone to help us out with that, and we'll get it up and running. It's gonna be a great place for everybody to learn. I could come in there and message with you guys, let you know what I'm thinking. Yeah, and then you guys already talk to each other in the chat. I think some of you even you're getting to know each other in there. Where's the coffee, pal? No coffee today. I told you today's energy is brought to you by good old water. We're turning over a new leaf. We're not, we're going to the gym. We're drinking water. No more Red Bull. No more Bang. Just natural energy from the water and the exercise. So anyway, let's see. Bybit. Someone says Bybit. Yeah, Bybit's great. I use Femex mostly. I use Bybit too. But they're both great. They're very similar. If you look at the dashboards where you trade, they're very, very similar. If you can use Bybit, you could use Femex, and the other way around. Yeah, Mr. Alley. Yeah, I'm slaving in the kitchen. We're shaving the garlic. We're shaving the Parmesan. We're making the bagels, and we're stirring the sauce. Right? I got to get it ready for you guys every day. That's why I always have sauce stains on my shirt. Yes, still looking for an entry on ADA. Let's pull up ADA real quick. Yeah, if you guys just joined, we were just talking about ADA. I'm going to come down to a lower time frame. Yeah, so we're approaching. Okay, we're getting rejected here. Waiting to see if we can break this resistance, come up, and then test it as support. If we can stick this as support, I'll be looking for a long on ADA there. Again, like I'm a shorter term trader, right? Like I do swing trades. I do, I have longer investments and stuff, but I do like to scalp. I like the action. But yeah, so who is this? Crypto Mac. Hey, Frankie, what's going on, man? What's going on, Crypto Mac? Happy to have you here. That's the way. Aqua for life. Absolutely. Philip says Red Bull and vodka, though, with his little eyes. How do you spell the one that is not Bybit? Femex is Phemex. If you go into the YouTube channel, go to my last video or my last live. There's a link in the description. You could just click there and use my referral code to sign up. And you can just click that link. I would put it in the chat, but I actually don't. Actually, you know what? Let me just do that so it's easier for you guys. Let me see here. Bear with me real quick. Just trying to help you guys out. And guys, if you use my referral code, I do get a small kickback. It costs you nothing. It does help out the channel. It helps me come back every day with these live streams to help you guys continue to make money. So it does help me out, but it costs you nothing, and I really appreciate it if you do use those codes. You just got to click the link and sign up like normal, and it'll just go through. Let me just grab the link here real quick, and I will throw it in chat. Boom. Boom. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Bada bing. Bada boom. And let me pin it. I will pin it to the top of the chat. Pin message. Boom. And we're in. So you should see it at the top of the chat, or you could just click it in chat. And that'll bring you to Femex, and you can just sign up right there. And yeah, get started trading. Watch my videos, go through the YouTube channel, get the basics down, and then watch the stream. And, start making that money. Start making the bagels. You don't have to be in New York to make the bagels. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm still making the bagels. That's because I got my family sending me the good water from New York. Let's see. Appreciate the time you put into these streams, Frankie. Philip, I have a blast. It doesn't feel like work. It doesn't feel hard. I have a blast talking to you guys and helping you guys make money. And I like talking crypto. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm hanging out with my friends. Hashtag Bing Bong if you're learning something. Jonathan said it, not me. Hashtag Bing Bong if you're learning something. Let's see. Yes, Femex hype. Smash the like. Sir, when will the price of Bitcoin increase to 100%? Which month? Who said that? I don't want to butcher your name. I'm not going to make any crazy predictions like that. I'll say Bitcoin is going to 100K eventually in the future. I feel certain about that. I'm not going to put a date on it, though. Let's see. How do you feel about this market? Mr. Ali, he asks how I feel about the market. Where I say this a lot on the stream, we're in a little bit of a weird cycle here, right? Typically, the Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycles. It has historically. It's been somewhat predictable up until this point. We are getting a little bit of a weird cycle here. It might be extended, or maybe we're in a bear market right now, and we just don't know, right? That's kind of how bear markets work. People don't realize they're in a bear market until you're at the bottom. You're just kind of like always in disbelief, right? Every time it bounces, you're like, this is the last run. And then it never goes higher and it goes down. And then you get another bounce. You're like, this is the run. And then it just goes down lower. So we could be in the midst of a bear market right now, or it could be extended. But we definitely saw some weird, we never saw an altcoin season. That's never happened. Usually we see the altcoins go on a run. If you watch the BitBoy Crypto morning stream, we had Blockchain Backer on. He was talking about how he thinks that altcoin season can be coming soon. So maybe we'll see it soon. But yeah, I mean, I'm feeling good. Like if you guys do watch, if we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly, as I said earlier, we have this weekly VWAP coming up. And real quick, I know I do this like every stream, but I want to do it for the new people that just got in here. These weekly VWAPs, this yellow wave, right? Look at this yellow wave, right? Comes up and it's crossing over the 0 line right now, and it's printing this green dot on the momentum wave. This is huge, and I'll explain to you why. If you look back every single other time, right? Look at the VWAP is below the 0 line, right? Boom, crosses over the 0 line, prints the green dot. Massive move to the upside, right? Massive move. This was, let's see, from the bottom of here to there. That's 79-ish%, right? And then we had a little cool off period, right? We came up and then we're up over the 0 line right here. And then we started to cool off. We came down below the 0 line a little bit. We dipped down. And then we crossed over again for another massive run up. And that run up was, let's see, that one was 51%. And then if you come back, obviously this is the beginning of the bull run. So this might, this is a little different. I don't expect the one that we're going through right now to play out exactly like this one did because we're at a different point in the market. But this VWAP right here crosses over the 0 line. And that was, I just trying to show you guys why it's so powerful. So we have this weekly, where am I? We have this VWAP crossover right here, right? From this candle to the top, 527%. So these weekly VWAP crossovers are no joke. I do expect this to bring us up, around 48 to 50K in the near future. So definitely keeping an eye on that. That's very, very bullish. So yeah, that's kind of how I'm feeling about the market right now. Cobra Kai says we're all in for the ride. Let's go. I agree with that. Yeah, never 100x anywhere, dude. Yeah, I would agree with that. Ammo, very, very, very good advice. I don't recommend 100x unless you're trading with you literally, if you want to gamble, sure, throw 100x leverage on, but I don't ever recommend using 100x leverage. It's kind of crazy. It's basically gambling because if the price goes like 1% the wrong way, you're getting completely liquidated. Not a good idea unless you want to lose your money. If you're in the business of losing money, then maybe do that. Let's see. I changed my mind. 7x, 8 along, 50x, and set a stop loss in profit. And now I have more trading capital. Let's see. Super new or super green to trading. Was wondering if you could make a video on how to place buys with stop losses and take profits. Javeler, Javier. Good news. If you go to the YouTube channel, look up Femex, or you'll see it there. It's the Femex tutorial. I show you how from A to Z, how to use Femex, how to set everything up, how to enter a trade, set stop losses, all that. So definitely go check out that video. And then if you want to sign up for Femex, in the link below that video is my Femex referral link. And you can sign up right there. You can watch the video, go to the description, click it, sign up, and start trading right away. But I do recommend watching some of my videos first so you can get an idea of how to not trade with your emotions. Check out the new psychology video I put out. So yeah, check out the channel. We got everything you need. Thomas, I think Bitcoin will hit $1 million one day. 10 years, 20 years, I'm not putting a date on it. In the future, I think crypto is the future. It's what I personally believe. You have, regardless of if we go into a bear market right now, you still have institutions interested in Bitcoin. JP Morgan, all financial institutions, like crypto is like cat's out of the bag, right? And it's a gift and a curse because you have the institutions coming in, which matures the market, right? So it might be a little less volatile over time. It grows to be less volatile, but they also manipulate it, right? So that's kind of what we saw a lot this cycle, tons of manipulation. So it's kind of a gift and a curse, but yeah, I think one day, I don't think crypto's not going anywhere. You see all this FUD and like all this bad news and stuff, if you guys go on Google and you look up, like, I think you can like go back in time. I've never personally done it, but I've heard other people, many people have told me they've done it. Like you go back, you can like look up news from 2017, crypto news from 2017, around when, you know, depending on if it was a bull market or bear market, the news is the same. China's banned crypto 100 times. It's all, you know, like you see this FUD, like, oh my God, like the government's gonna ban crypto. Like these have been stories in the last bull run. It's all, it's FUD. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's all manipulation. Now, if Bitcoin or crypto were somehow to actually get banned, obviously that would be bad. But I don't think that's, I think it's unstoppable at this point. Not impossible to get shut down completely, but it would just be so hard. I can't imagine a way that it would happen. Let's see. Frankie, can you make a video for KuCoin, please? Yeah, we can make a KuCoin video. I wasn't planning on it, but yeah, if you guys want it, we can do KuCoin. KuCoin also offers leverage if you guys are interested in, if you have KuCoin and you don't want to make a FEMEX or for whatever reason, you could try leverage on KuCoin. You know, take a little bit of, you know, small portion of your money and try it out on KuCoin. It's very user friendly. These streams are very helpful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll still be here. I mean, hey, I'll be here if there's one person. I don't care. Fidelity is bullish on Bitcoin. That's what I'm saying, right? Like, do you guys think that if Bitcoin was a scam or Bitcoin was just nonsense, do you think like Fidelity, JP Morgan, like all of these huge institutions, financial institutions, big companies, like Tesla, like all these people, like, do you think they would even be interested in it? Also, I think Gary Vee says this a lot, like a lot of the things you hear people, like a lot of the bad stuff you hear people say about crypto is like what people were saying about the internet before it was a thing. Like, why would I ever buy a book online? I can just go to the store. Now we buy everything online. And the people who saw that before it happened are the ones that got rich, right? So you hear a lot of things like, oh, why I could just use cash or my credit card. Like, why would I use crypto? Like, people were saying that about the internet. Why would I talk to my friends on Facebook or you know, on the internet when I can just see them in real life? Like, why would it, like, it's hard to fathom before you get there. That's why you need to see what the future is and try to accept, you know, if you feel, you know, it feels weird, right? Things are changing, but there's a lot of opportunity if you can open your mind. And so just remember that, like, people thought it would be weird to buy books online or your clothes online. Now it's like most of the shopping is done online. So just remember that. It's very similar sentiment. People talking bad about crypto, it's like very similar to the stuff they were saying about the internet. You know, like, why I have all my CDs. I would never want to just download them on the computer. And sure, some people like collecting the records and all that. And that's a thing, and that's fine. But like, you know, music sales online are through the roof. Streaming services are through the roof. So you just got to try to see through the normal and try to see into the future. You know, so that's, I always like to tell people that because, you know, people thought the internet was a scam. People thought the internet was stupid. It was a fad. The internet is here to stay, clearly. We do everything on the internet. The pandemic happened and everybody had to work on the internet. You couldn't even you couldn't go into work. So that's where the internet came in. So you can never really, you know, hindsight's 2020, but you got to try to see the forward. You got to have the forward sight. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's see. Well, the new technology, there is a lot. With the new technology, there is a lot more better crypto. Yes, I would agree with that. That's the other thing too. Like, you know, Bitcoin takes 15 minutes to a half hour to send a transaction. No one's saying that Bitcoin has to be the money that people use. There's other coins that are much better. The XRP is like almost instant, right? So that would make a better payment solution. Bitcoin doesn't have to be the worldwide payment solution. That's why people call it the digital gold, because, you know, we don't pay each other in gold, right? We used to pay each other in physical gold, but now it's just a store of value. It's kind of similar with Bitcoin, where like you might use XRP, might be the credit card or the cash, right? And then the gold you just buy because it's an appreciating asset. Let's see. Do you think tomorrow's CPI? I'm a hodler and want to try trading, but the tax between the two are big. Yes, yeah, taxes, guys, there's no way around taxes. I mean, you could try to pay as little as you want. I recommend just paying it. I know some people who tried not paying taxes. They find you. They come get you. It's one thing if you're trying to write stuff off or you're trying to, you want to pay as little tax as possible, obviously. But I definitely don't recommend like trying not to pay your taxes. That's not a good idea. I know some people have gotten, screwed over doing that. Let's see. Since Femex and Bybit are restricted in the U.S., how do we pay our taxes? Do we just require CPA? So crypto taxes are kind of weird, right? I'm sure a lot of accountants are like pulling their hair out with this stuff. But there's some really good software that some people I know have used. I think one of them is called TaxBit, where you put your information in and it pulls all of your information from all of your exchanges, all the buys, all the sells. It calculates everything, all your losses. It calculates everything and spits everything out. And I've heard really, really, really good things about it. I've never tried it personally, but I have heard good things. So maybe check them out. Have to go. We'll be back tomorrow. Hashtag big value. Thank you to all. Hey, thank you for coming, man. Thank you for coming. Sorry I'm late. I was replacing my starter on my truck. Shake my head. Always something. Hey, crypto ain't not. Got to do what you got to do. But we're here. We're binging and bonging all night long. We're still here for you. We were waiting for you. We were going to get off, but we figured we'd wait for you. Thank you for coming back, man. Smash the likes, guys. 203 likes. We have super high viewers today. So let's get to 250. I think we can do it. Yesterday, we blew the likes through the roof. So I did 3 challenges. But today, we're doing 1. I got to get to the gym. Because we're getting gains trading and we're getting gains in the gym. You know what I'm saying? Got to get it both ways. Let's see. Hindsight 2020 for sure. Absolutely. Your Crypto Sasquatch says his CPA uses TaxBit. So hey, there's a little credibility. Let's see. Yo, Frankie, ETH, USDT, RSI, bearish divergence. Have a look. 4 hour. All right. Hey, who said that? Who said that? Hey, who said that? Marcus. Marcus, let's go. Let's check it out. Come on. Here we go. ETH. Boom. 4 hour. Boom. Let me take my lines off to make it a little easier to read. Boom. Bearish divergence. Might be a little different if you're looking at a different chart. I do not really see a bearish divergence here, though. You definitely have price going up. Yeah, I mean, price, yeah, like from here, I guess you mean. Like there. But maybe, forming. Okay, you said not formed. You said forming. Yeah, so maybe that. That's what you're saying. I don't know about that wave cutting through. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. I was looking or it wasn't ETH, was it? I don't know. Those divergences, guys, are huge. They're really helpful. The uneven butt cheeks too, right? Let's see, 177 people, guys. If you have not smashed the likes, it helps out the channel. Let YouTube know that you like making that bread, right? Let YouTube know you like making money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, so they know to show this video to more people like you, so we can build an army of traders, right? We have to build an army, guys. Jonathan says, hashtag bing bong. Let's go, Jonathan. Elliot, please look at XRP on the 1 hour. Okay, I will. Let's see. Crypto Sasquatch says he has a link on his page. If you're talking about Femex, it's also in the chat. You'll see I put it in the chat. It's also pinned to the top of the chat. Okay, XRP on the 1 hour, you said? XRP, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Where am I? Boom. XRP. Guys, this is my favorite part of the day. Just so you guys know, this is my favorite part of the day. I love what I do. I really do. I truly enjoy what I do. But this is my favorite time of the day. I love hanging out with you guys. I like looking at the charts. And hey, who doesn't like making money? All right, 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, can we flip? Maybe we could flip this Fibonacci level to support. I don't know. I am waiting for these daily VWAPs, right? These daily VWAPs coming down. I think it's going to bring us down. We have the money flow coming up, but I think we're going to have a little retracement before we get the VWAP, before the money flow comes up. So I think there could be a chance. We are getting close to coming up, though. But yeah, guys. Oh God, finally XRP makes a move. Look at that. Boom. I love it. But yeah, I don't know what you wanted to look at on the 1 hour. But let's see. Gold coming soon to a wall behind you. Oh, hey. Who said it? In De Facto Games says, I'm going to have a gold play button, a gold YouTube play button He says, gold YouTube play button coming soon to a wall behind me. Hey, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I hope, right? We got to manifest. I feel the gold plaque behind me. If we can get that, guys, oh boy, that's going to be exciting. That's going to be exciting. I appreciate that, though. Let's see. I absolutely do not understand the waves under the chart. Okay, we'll go over it. We'll go over it, Pitt. We'll go over it. Is this rising wedge? Oh. Gotcha. So just in general, guys, when you have it, you could draw it in you could draw a million different patterns, right? You could draw a million different patterns just in general. When you have price, right? Like, let me find like a really good example. Like, yeah, this might be actually hard to draw. But yeah, when you have price where it's like coming down, right? I'm just gonna actually do this. Like when you have price and it's coming to, these are rough lines, guys. I'm just trying to draw shapes here so you guys can see. Usually when you have patterns where you can draw trend lines where, you know, things are coming together and generally price is coming in, right? And it starts to kind of, we call it coiling up, right? It kind of consolidates tighter and tighter. The closer, depending on the pattern, right? I think maybe tomorrow's stream will go over all trading patterns and stuff. I'll have the graphics and everything. We could find them on the chart, ones that have played out beautifully. Maybe we'll do that for tomorrow's stream. But yeah, just in general, like when you can draw like little lines, you know, where price is coming in like that, and you have big move, and they get littler and littler, right? Depending on the pattern, if it's a bullish pattern or a bearish pattern, the closer you get to that pinch point, that's when the pattern resolves, right? That's when the pattern plays out, right? So you're either looking for breakups or breakdowns, but you can bet that the closer you get to the tip, I mean, sometimes it just crabs out sideways, but most of the time, and I mean most of the time, you see something play out where price is tightening up. You usually get breakups or breakdowns, just so you know. Let's see, daily close in 10 minutes. Yes, Thomas, let's go. Scalp entry for ADA incoming. Yes, possibly. Maybe we could do it on stream. I'm hoping to get some trades in on stream, guys. Holler from New Zealand here. New Zealand in chat blows my mind every time. Can't get more decentralized than that. Basically, I would agree with that, yes. Hey, Frankie, why don't you use the other market cipher tools? Do you find them useful still? Yeah, Marcus, that's a good question. That is a really good question, man. So yes, I do. I use, let's just go to the Bitcoin chart here. Yeah. So he's talking about market cipher. This is market cipher B, right? This is the one I use the most, right? But let's get rid of that. We also have, there's a lot of other useful tools on market cipher, right? So you have market cipher A, which brings these icons on top of the candles, right? So obviously, I'm not going to go over all of them, but like this is a blood diamond right here. Properly named, right? That just looks like I don't know what a blood diamond is, but that looks like one. And these are very indicative of downside, right? Clearly that plays out. So like, and you could back test these, right? Let's go find another blood diamond and see if it played out. Let's see. And again, guys, nothing's 100%, right? Nothing's 100%. Perfect example. I mean, you did come down here, but it didn't play out, right? But there was most likely things on market cipher B that were showing conflicting information, right? So you don't just want to trade off of these signals. You want to take this and you want to compare it to other time frames. You want to look at market cipher B, look at other indicators to get confirmation. You got the yellow X's, which indicates manipulation, right? So you get a yellow X, manipulation. Usually the first two manipulation X's are the worst. Did we get, yeah. So usually, yeah, this is the dump, right? When is this? Yeah. So yeah, so the yellow X's are manipulation, but let's try to see if we could find more. You know what I like? I like if you go to the 1 minute, I don't recommend trading the 1 minute, guys, but I'm just doing this for an example. Like the blood diamonds play out on the 1 minute. Like look at that, guys. We caught it live. Look at that. I wish I saw this earlier. Look at that, blood diamond, and it's we get a big red candle. Obviously, this is the 1 minute. Don't panic. Like, what is this move, right? This is, yeah, it's 0.1%. Calm down. It's okay. But yeah, I mean, they play out on the 1 minute for some reason. These blood diamonds, like you get a blood diamond, two blood diamonds right here, double blood diamond, and you get I mean, this whole move down. Only 0.5%. Obviously, we're on the 1 minute, but they play out. But that's, I'm just kind of showing you because I knew that the 1 minute shows, you know, blood diamond dump, blood diamond dump. But yeah, so that's market cipher A. There's also a couple of other ones. Let me get rid of that. There's market cipher A. There's the DBSI, which puts numbers. Come on. All right. So you get numbers on the candles, right? So there's a 23 on this candle and a -5 down here. 23 is very strong, so this candle should be moving downward. It kind of shows you. I don't typically use this that much, but hey, it is useful. I know a lot of people use it. I just typically look at market cipher B, and then you have market cipher SR, which is market cipher support and resistance. Let me zoom out a little bit here. So yeah, so this basically, yeah, and this gets obviously like if you want to confuse somebody with a chart, you just pull up this. Hey, look at the chart, man. This is this is as confusing as it gets, but it's basically just it plots like support lines and resistance lines. That's all. But I don't really use that either. Not because I don't like it, just because typically I'm a market cipher B guy. But sometimes market cipher A. A lot of times I have market cipher A and market cipher B on, and then I'll check the DBSI once in a while. I'll turn it on and off. But yeah. Yeah, so I hope that answers your question. What time frame do you recommend trading for a beginner? Thomas, I would recommend, I mean, it's all up to you, right? I like the action, right? I'm high energy. I like all the action. So I like to trade, I like to scalp a lot. But I would recommend like doing some longer term trades, right? Don't start scalping. It moves fast. It's really easy to get your emotions involved in it. It's rough. So yeah, I mean, it's up to you. I trade all different time frames. What I do when I typically sit down and look at the charts, I will start on a higher time frame, right? So I look at the daily. So let's just say, right? So on the daily, before this breakout, we'll pretend that breakout's not there. We'll just push it to the side. In a long-term downtrend, right? We were stuck in this channel or this descending wedge, right? We're in a long-term downtrend, right? So I'm not typically looking for longs here, right? So the trend is your friend, right? So if you're in a long-term downtrend, which obviously right here we were forever, it felt like since November, boom, gosh, that was treacherous. But yeah, so we're in a long-term downtrend. This is the daily chart, right? So the trend is your friend, right? So I'm not looking for longs here. You can scalp long, right? But we're not talking about scalping. So right on the long time frame, the market environment that you're in is bearish, clearly. So in a bearish environment, you want to look for shorts because the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. I'll say it one more time. The trend is your friend. But you can, you know, I'm not saying you can't long when you're going down. You can get some nice bounces. But I just typically for a beginner, I would say stick with the direction of the long-term trend. So you look at the daily. You know, then a lot of times I'll come to the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour is doing. But yeah, and then you get I'll get an entry on a lower time frame. So you want to identify your environment on the longer time frame and then move down to the lower time frames. Just to start out, that's what I would recommend. I just read the same comment. Support from HK. Thanks for the live stream. Let's make that money. Thank you for being here, and smash the like button if you have not already, guys. We're creeping up on our like goal of 250. Let's go. You guys do it every single time. And I'm very thankful for that. I owe you guys. That's why I want to teach you how to make money. You guys show up. I'm basically paying you to watch me. What kind of, I mean, that's a deal. Hong Kong. Let's go. I was wondering what you meant by HK. I assumed it was not here. But yeah, welcome from Hong Kong. Thank you for being here. Can you check Solana? Yeah, let's take a look at Solana. I know I got it here somewhere, guys. I'm going to drink my water real quick. Water. That was definitely water. Definitely not Red Bull. I told you I was being healthy, guys. Okay, Solana. Lost my train of thought there for a second. Let's see. Okay, so this is the 4 hour. We're coming up to this fib level. Guys, the Fibonacci retracements are crazy. I mean, a lot of people talk trash about TA. They're just random lines. I did not draw these lines. I dragged a Fibonacci extension or retracement. I'm sorry. Look how it sticks these levels. We stuck here. We stuck here. We wicked down, but we still stuck it, right? You bounce here, you hold this level here, you hold this level here, you hold it again here, you hold it again here. It's resistance here, pushed us down, tried to hold on there, pushed us down, holds the resistance there, pushes us down, resistance, resistance. Doesn't look like random lines to me, guys. The price is clearly reacting off of these levels. It's like, sure, if you drew off some random lines, could you find a part of the chart where the price bounced off your line randomly? Yeah, probably. But I don't think these are random lines. I think it's a little too coincidental. I don't hear a lot of people say that, but some people do say that. Let's see. Your knowledge is payment for us. Crypto Sasquatch. Yes, I will pay you in gains and knowledge. Hashtag Bing Bong. Late to the party, but I'm still here. Chris Weeks, back again. Thank you for coming back, man. Smash a like if you haven't. We're at 228, 154 viewers. Let's push it past 250 so we can have some fun at the end of the stream. Frankie token, let's go. Yeah, we're going to tokenize me. If you guys are bullish on me, buy Frankie token. Actually, can we do Frankie coin? I like Frankie coin better. Let's see. Truth at Vodka Red Bull. You guys love those Vodka Red Bulls. Jimmy says, Frankie Candles Consigliere, chart boss. Let's go. Jimmy Two Shoes, as always. Happy to have you. Bubba's Crypto says, hashtag find your people. I like that because I was saying, sometimes you gotta, I was talking about how I really love everybody, at BitBoy Crypto. When I came down here, I made a big move to come down here. And everything is like, I just met, I see you, Curry. I came down here on a whim, and I just happened to luck out and just meet the best people in the world. And I was saying that, you might not always be the people, the friends you might have right now. They might be great friends, but the world is big, and I was just saying that, like, you got to go find your people. You know what I mean? Like, you have goals, you have interests, and sometimes your people are not always in your hometown. And it was hard for me to leave my hometown. I have I love, I left, I have my family and all that, and I miss everybody more than anything. But I came down here, and you find your people, and I'm super happy. I get to do what I love. And you get surrounded by really, really cool people that feel like your best friends, even if you don't know them for that long. So I was saying at the last stream, I said hashtag find your people, go find your people. And Bubba just said that in chat. I think that's important. Keep that around. Guys, we have Aaron Curry in chat. What's going on, Aaron? He works here at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network. He does the Hit Network videos. He does really, 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 really good videos. They're fun. If you guys aren't following Hit Network, make sure to follow them because Hot Curry is putting out that heat on Hit Network. So definitely check him out. Thanks for being here, bro. Let's get you some gains. He's big into Cardano NFTs. He got here and he wasn't really into crypto, right? But he learned really quick, and now he's like one of the NFT guys, right? Like, he's always coming up like, did you hear about this NFT? So awesome to see him doing that, crushing the NFT game. Let's see. Hi from Pakistan. What's going on, Pakistan? Welcome to the stream. Get ready to make some money. Let's see. Thoughts on Atom? Oh, we'll look at Atom. I love looking at Atom. It's my most successful so far. Crazy airdrops, good growth. Yes. Muzza, we will check that out. Wishing Frankie all the best with his new career. John Connor, I appreciate that. I wish you the best in your trading journeys. Sometimes, Crypto Satchel sometimes home finds you. Let's see. Daily closed. Okay, let's take a look at Atom. Boom. Whoa. Another random line, guys. These random lines just don't give up. Okay, so what are we on the 4 hour? Let's go to the 1 hour. Boom. Here's a long. Guys, if you don't know about this tool, the long position tool and the short position tool, we went over this on one stream. It's a good way to practice if you don't want to spend any money. You can put it anywhere at an entry point, and then you can set your profit and your stop loss. And it's a good way to practice. So this is an old long that I had. Hit the take profit. Boom. Okay. So we're trying to work. It looks like we're trying to work our way back up to the top of this resistance here. I love trading Atom. I'm keeping an eye on Atom very, very closely. Let's bring up Market Cipher B. There she is. There she is. Someone said they don't understand the waves. I'll explain. I'm not going to explain them on the stream, but keep an eye out tomorrow for the Market Cipher tutorial video. I just explained on a very basic level what everything is, and it should clear everything up for you if you don't understand. It's a lot easier to understand. It's a lot more complicated than it looks. It looks a lot more complicated than it is. Sorry. Yeah, so we kind of been binging and bonging around here. Yeah, I mean, again, we have the 4-hour VWAPs are coming down, so I am definitely expecting some downside, but money flow crossing over, right? So I think we might come down a little bit, but eventually we will move back up. But that 4-hour VWAP, I'm sorry, the daily VWAP. Daily VWAP coming down. I think this will, maybe have us correct just a little bit. Nothing crazy. I'm not like panicking or anything. But yeah, I'm keeping an eye on Adam. I love to trade Adam. Adam's really fun to trade. So yeah, keeping an eye. We're kind of just binging and bonging in this little channel here. Yeah, let's see. Let's go down to a super low time frame. Yeah. Maybe we'll go 15 minute. Yeah, we're just chilling in this little bing bong area, we like to call it. Little bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. But yeah, I love Adam. I love trading Adam. Let's see. Wishing Frankie all the best with his new. Oh yeah, we already read that. Greetings from Della dash where? I'm kidding. I've been to Delaware. Delaware's cool. Let's see. $1,000 to play with. What altcoin would you invest in now? Adam, Gala, or ADA? And I know, not financial advice. Lol. Chris Weeks. Chris Weeks already knows what's up. Hashtag not financial advice. I'm just gonna get a sweatshirt or a shirt that just says not financial advice. But I would say this because I am looking to pick up some alts. I am personally looking at gaming and metaverse plays. I think these are the next big thing. I mean, they already are kind of the new big thing. But I'm definitely looking. Gala, Meta Hero. Of course, I'm on the spot. I can't think of them. But yeah, metaverse and gaming tokens. Nothing too crazy, like no super secret gems right now. Just kind of the big ones. I mean, I think these are the ones to accumulate. I do wish I accumulated more Gala before it popped like that. But yeah, I would say gaming and metaverse stuff. I also, depends on your portfolio. My portfolio is kind of gaming metaverse light. I don't really have a lot of that stuff, so I am looking to load up. But yeah, I would say gaming metaverse. I think that's the future. Oh, Susie, first time watcher. She says, thank you so much. Susie, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I'm talking to you, Susie, right there. You. Thank you. And anytime, I'm here to help you guys. Let's see Frankie on Around the Blockchain soon. John, I think that will probably happen at some point. They're going to force me on there. Not force me. I would love to go on Around the Blockchain. But yeah, I think I'll eventually be making appearances on Around the Blockchain. But yeah, I keep rereading the same comments. Bada bing bong. Bada bing bong, I'm out. Forget about it, Jimmy says. Forget about it, all right? Forget about it. Jimmy, I think Jimmy's from the Bronx. He's from the Boogie Down Bronx, baby. When we come for a New York meetup one day, I'll come see you in the Boogie Down Bronx. Let's go. It's harder than it looks. Maybe somewhat accurate, actually. Oh, God, wish I knew that. I knew what that was. Mana. Yeah, Mana's something. Mana's one I'm looking to pick up. Thoughts on VR, Veracity. We could take a look at that. If you get that sweater, then I want one. Haha, not financial advice. Maybe hashtag not financial advice, hashtag bing bong. Guys, if you guys want merch, put hashtag merch in the chat. I think I'm gonna get some stuff made. Maybe we could do it in the future. But yeah, I'd like to see if you guys have demand. We can do some cool candle stuff, some cool chart stuff. Hot Curry at Jimmy Void. Sit down. Talking Truth KuCoin. I missed that comment. But let's see. My man, 100 grand. I want altcoin season, Thomas says. Me too. An altcoin season would be nice. We haven't seen it. Guys, 239 likes. We're so close to 250. We still got some time here. So let's get it up to 250. I think we can do it. And hopefully I don't fall this time. And hopefully I don't have to run around. We got a bunch of hashtag merch. Okay. Hashtag merch, hashtag merch, hashtag merch, hashtag merch for sure. Okay. I like it. We'll have to come up with some designs. Let's go. Big wheel spin for merch. Guys, this wheel has become a meme, essentially, because there's never anything on it. I'm really indecisive on what we want it to be, but I'll spin it. We'll say blue is merch. You can't make that up, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what the? That was blue. You guys saw that was blue. I don't know how that happened. There's a ghost down here. I'm actually kind of scared now. I am in the basement. But no, yeah, we'll start thinking about merch. We'll also figure out what to do with this. I got to get dry erase markers to draw on this. Hopefully we can get this up and running tomorrow. But for now, we'll just spin it randomly. It's fun. Guys, when we get this going, this stream is going to get real fun. Let's see. Bring the bagel t-shirt. Let's go. Frankie challenge 24-hour live stream. Ooh, I'll have to sleep on stream then. 24-hour live stream. Maybe for like if we had like when we hit like 1 million subscribers or something like crazy, I'll do something nuts like that. Would I be allowed to sleep or would I have to stay awake? Let's see. I will say time does go by very fast when we stream because I'm having so much fun with you guys. Let's see. I want a shirt that says, "I'm here for the sauce." Oh God, you guys are good. Let's see. Yeah, Cobra Kai, that wheel, that casino is rigged. Let's see. Frankie Hot Sauce. Let's go, John. Hot Curry. Who let you out of the cage? Guys, that was a joke on the Hit Network because we would work some crazy hours. So people would be like, Ben brought me on his stream one time and he said, "Here's Frank, guys, he's our vlogger or whatever. We let him out of the cage today," and that's just stuck. I will say I am fine. I'm not in a dungeon. But yeah, that's funny. Curry, yeah, Curry. Sometimes they let us out. Basement boys. Let's see. Prediction here. BTC will go up. We'll go up to the 200 EMA, then dip and recover again May and June. Jonathan. We'll hold you to it. We'll see if it happens. What do you think about Shiba Inu coin? 1 million in March. Shiba, I'll say this. I said this on the last stream. I don't buy meme coins. I only buy projects that have good. I only buy coins that have good projects behind them, good use case, coins that are going to be around, projects that are going to be around for a very, very long time. That's not to say that you can't make money. If I bought Doge and Shiba, I would have made money. You could totally make money with them. I don't invest in them long term. Maybe I'll do like a leverage trade on Doge if something's happening with it and it's moving. But I don't typically invest in them long term. That's not to say that you can't. I just personally don't. I hold like very, very utility heavy projects. Loving your content. Illusion of Hope says, "Loving your content, my friend. Thank you for all you do. Next big YouTube TA guy. Inbound. Let's go. We're coming in." That's like a YouTube title. Huge parabolic move for Frank incoming? Question mark? Let's see. The leash is off. It's bull time. Consigliere. Frankie Candle Consigliere. That's Jimmy Two Shoes saying that. Let's go. But yeah. All right. So let's see. Let's take a look at Sheeb. Sheeb. I don't think I have it on here. Let's do Sheeb. Hashtag Sheeb. Boom. Let's see. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the daily. Oof. Look at that. What is this percentage-wise? Looking just like Gala was. I mean, a lot of the coins look like this. Let's measure this out to the top of the wick. 68%. Gotta love it. But yeah, I mean, I think there was something going on. They announced they announced some kind of metaverse thing. Frankie Sunday Sauce shirt. Rafi, we can get it done. There was something with I think Sheeb, like they were doing something with the metaverse. So I heard there was some news. I don't know when it came out, so I don't know any of this is part of that or if the pump is incoming. But yeah, just generally, I don't really buy meme coins, but we are hitting this resistance level at about whatever that is, 0.503, whatever. I don't even know if I could read that right. I think it's 4 or 5 zeros. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I would say it's like, boom. Yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people that held SHIB and they made a lot of money. Do you guys call it SHIB or SHIB? I don't know what to call it. All right, let's check chat. Let's see. Cobra Will says he would have made $1 million, sadly. Cobra Kai, follow the developers. Don't forget the wide open mouth thumbnail. Yes. Bitcoin to $1 million. Somebody clip that thumbnail. Hudson, we got Hudson in the chat. Hudson works here. He says, "Spin the wheel, dummy." Yes, Hudson, we're gonna get it going. I gotta steal a dry erase marker from somebody upstairs. And we're getting you know what? Screw it. We're getting the wheel done tomorrow. We're talking about patterns tomorrow. So you guys that'll give you guys who can't afford Market Cipher a chance to like look at the charts and not have to pay a bunch of money to you know, get into some trades and like start doing some TA and trading. So we're going over patterns tomorrow. We're getting the wheel going tomorrow. Hey Curry, you have any ideas for that wheel? Let me know in chat. So the wheel and patterns are going to be the big thing tomorrow, and we'll see what happens with the markets. You know, if something crazy happens, obviously, maybe we'll focus on that. Let's see. What about? They also had a burn. Sheeb had a burn. Ooh, I don't know if that is what you're talking about, but that could be interesting. Will calls it trash. Hi, Frankie. Love your streams. Thanks. Megan, appreciate you being here. I love you guys. All right. Let's see. Everyone hit those likes. If you thunk, let's get it. Frankie to 300 today. Let's go. 245. We're almost at 250, guys. Run it up. Aaron, hit the likes. Hudson, I know you hit him. Aaron, maybe you hit him already. I don't know. But guys, hit him. Hit them. Smash them up. Let's go. Stuck $100 in SHIB a few months ago and just forgetting about it. You never know. You know, if it's money you're willing to lose, I don't think that's a bad strategy, right? I don't recommend like, you know, SHIB is basically like one of the top coins at this point, like top meme coins like Doge. Doge like knighted it in. It was like, yes, you could be a good meme coin too. But I don't. It's not, you know, if you have, it is gambling basically. Maybe not, you know, SHIB, like I said, is up there. But with like these Floki, Inu, Lamborghini, Ferrari coin, like these crazy like baby, infant, Floki, toddler, Inu, whatever it is, those are very, very risky. But, you know, these are also the coins that like 150x. You know what I mean? So if you have a little money and then you want to just gamble, you know, I know some people that put $100, whatever it is, like $20 into 10 different coins. And then, you know, if 9 of them lose, but 1 goes nuts, they make so much money that the losses mean nothing, right? And they make a ton of money. So, yeah, I don't recommend doing that unless you're using money that you're just willing to gamble away. But hey, I've heard people be successful with it. I don't think it's very common. I don't think it's likely. But hey, I mean, if you buy lottery tickets, I mean, you probably at least you can return your, you know, if you pull your money out before it dumps, at least you can pull your money back out. You can't return a lottery ticket. Let's see. I will say this. I did do that I put not a bunch of money. I put a little bit of money that I was willing to lose into a meme coin. It was like $100, like just random money, and it went up to like 10 grand. So I'm not gonna say the coin, but it was that worked out in that case, but I don't think it's likely. Let's see. That thumbnail makes you look like one of the Dubai boys. Well, that's funny. That's funny. The wheel looks like same Market Cipher colors. Yeah, you're kind of right, actually. Let's pull up Market Cipher. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Let's see. Market Cipher B. Oh, 2 Market Cipher Bs. Double Market Cipher B. Oh my God. Yeah, you're kind of right. It is similar. You got the purple. You got the, oh, no red, but the pink kind of covers it. The blue, the green, the light blue. Oh, yeah, you're right. That's the market cipher. That's the market cipher B wheel, ladies and gentlemen. The market cipher. 250 likes, guys. We did it. We did it. We got to our like goal. So put down in chat if you have any good challenges that you want me to do today. Let me just finish chat here. Can you please check out AVAX? Yes, we'll look at AVAX right now. Wow, things are dumping. EMS. It's almost like we said that at the beginning of the stream. It's like we know something. But yeah, I'm not too worried about it. UFO. I've heard about UFO. Let's see. Yeah, Jimmy makes a good point. Jimmy Two Shoes over here. The ship supply is in the trillions. Won't even get to a penny. Well, a miracle. Yeah, I agree with that. The only way I can see it getting to a penny is if they really do these burns and it actually works. But I don't know. I don't really follow Sheep that much. Once you get the channel monetized, the wheel should have some giveaways. Okay, all right, Tyler. All right, we could think about that. Also, guys, I'm getting scammed. Okay, I'm getting scammed by YouTube. Technically, I should be able to do super chats. I should be able to monetize the channel and make money with the channel because you have to have 4,000 watch hours. I have 4.5 thousand, but when I click on monetization, the little thing says I only have 3,000. So like in one spot, it tells me I have over 4,000, and the other spot, it tells me I don't have enough. So I don't know what's going on there. I just got to wait it out. Hopefully, I will get there eventually. So maybe tomorrow. I think it's going to happen very, very soon. So super chats and monetization coming soon to a Frankie Candles YouTube channel near you. Let's see. Christopher guessed the coin I was talking about. I'm not going to say if you're right or wrong. You got cameras in here, man. Anyway, let's see. LFG, handstand. Oh, handstand. Maybe we could do a handstand. I don't really have room to do a handstand here right now. And if I fall, I'm going to break a lot of really expensive stuff. Head reveal. Should do a live where the wheel determines the trades like a Magic 8-ball. Travis, I actually been thinking about that. That would be really fun. Handstand push-ups. Okay, Curry says handstand push-ups. Okay. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. But I do just want to be clear, guys. Like, if we do that, I would have to have like a huge disclaimer. Like, we are like, this is not how I'm telling you guys to trade. Like, it would be a punishment, right? Like, most of the time when we do those, I'll probably lose money. But it would be such a small amount of money that it won't matter. But it will be fun to do. But yeah, I think it would be fun. Like, one of them is like 100x sheep right now. Can't look at the chart. Like, just go enter and hold it for 3 minutes or however long. And, you know, it would be fun. It would be fun. Handstand push-ups. How's the elbow? Elbow is, it's going good. It's okay. It doesn't hurt too bad. I didn't draw blood, so that's good. If you guys don't know what he's talking about, at the end of the stream yesterday, I did take a little tumble. I was running around the studio for a challenge, and I slipped and I fell and hit a big metal door. But everything's okay. It's all right, guys. It's okay. Someone said workers' comp with thousands of people watching or hundreds of people watching, which I thought was pretty funny. Let's see. Sing the alphabet backwards, hopping on one foot, finger to nose. I'll be honest, Ammo. I don't know if I really want to admit this on live television, but I never learned as a kid how to say it backwards. And I could say it backwards, but I'd have to think about it a lot. Like, I always said, like if I ever got pulled over and I thought I was drinking or something, like they pull me out of the car and say the alphabet backwards, I'd be in like bad shape. Like, obviously I'd be sober, but I'd be in bad shape. I don't know. I would have to think about it. Some people do it quick. I just never learned that. Let's see. Feel like doing a small random forced trade as a challenge simply for fun and so we could see on live stream. Yes, Bubba's, yes, I think we'll wind up doing that. I think it's fun. I've been talking to people in the office. I think the general consensus is that would be awesome. So yeah, we'll do that. No shirt handstand for the ladies. MC Crypto's trying. Oh, that's funny. Maybe we'll do a handstand in the future. I just literally can't do it where you guys will be able to see me. And then if I do it where like right here, if I fall there, I'm gonna owe people a lot of money. Let's see. 2-minute plank. Okay, 2 minutes. I did work out abs the other day at the gym, so that would actually be really painful right now. I second Jimmy. Oh, dude, take the night off. You're good. No challenge. Forget about it. All right, guys, if you agree with Jimmy and you want to give me the night off, hashtag forget about it in the chat. And you got to spell it like Jimmy spells it, because that's the right way to spell it. Forget about it. Hashtag forget about it, fist. Boom. And then we'll get the night off. If not, maybe hashtag Ben to invest in employee insurance. The wheel should be a mix of pain and pleasure. Yeah, Tyler, that's kind of what I'm thinking, right? Yeah, little pain, little pleasure. Couple punishment trades. Maybe it's push-ups, and then maybe it's maybe it's send 5 ADA to Tyler Durden, or it'll be mixture of pain and pleasure. I think that would be fun. Let's see. I always hit the like button when I come into the live stream because I know you always give great info. Barry, I appreciate that. I hope I can continue giving you the great info and teaching you guys a little something. Teaching you a little something. Do you think we touch 45K tonight? I would say probably anything can happen, but I would say probably I almost said almost. I can't talk. I almost just said hashtag not. Hashtag no, because I was reading hashtags. Okay, anyway, let's see. What are we looking at? Bitcoin. Like I said, anything can happen. Let's come to the 1 hour, zoom in a little bit so we can see. I mean, we basically hit it today. But like I said, guys, the daily VWAP is coming down, right? So and you do have money flow starting to flatten out here a little bit. So I am expecting a little bit of downside in the near future. Nothing I'm personally freaking out about. But I would say probably not tonight, if I had to guess. Hashtag forget about it. Got a jet, bro. Don't let the ZZZ nonsense from BV trolls bother you. I didn't even see that, Cobra Kai, but if I saw it, I wouldn't sweat it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hashtag forget about it. No night off, you bro. Oh, there you go. Tyler Durden with the hashtag pasta fajoule. I like that. I like that. Hashtag forget about it. Not when others are skiing at the Super Bowl. John Connor. I guess they said that on the morning stream today. Yes, they are. Yeah, TJ is skiing or snowboarding in Colorado. He left today, and Ben is on his way to California for a meetup. Hashtag forget about it. Hashtag forget about it. Hashtag forget about it. That's 3 hashtag forget about it in a row. I'm gonna go ahead and take the night off, guys. I will do it. We'll let the wound heal from yesterday, and we'll hit the challenges hot tomorrow. Aaron Curry says he wants to see me sweat. I think we can make it happen, Aaron. Maybe tomorrow when we come into the office. Yeah, I don't know where that's going, but anyway, one challenge should be send 1 ETH to Thomas. That sounds like a good. Actually, fun fact, guys. Speaking of Aaron Curry, if you guys missed it, he does work here. He's the man. Aaron got. I'm not going to go into detail. It's nothing crazy. It's not too bad, but. Somebody told Aaron gave him a dare. It was a reasonable dare. And they said if he does the dare, the person would send them an entire ETH. And Aaron Curry took that dare like a champion and completed it. And that other person indeed sent him an entire ETH. So Aaron Curry made a whole ETH in about the matter of, I think, probably 3 seconds. It was legendary. It was epic. I was so happy I was there to see it. But yeah, I don't want to go into detail on the story. It's nothing that bad, but I just don't, I don't know if he wants, not my place to say it. But it was funny. It was innocent and funny. Let's see. Could we still check out on AVAX? Yes, I will, because I just totally forgot. Yes, we will. You think Russia will pump Bitcoin? Hopefully Putin can get behind Bitcoin. Yeah, everybody was saying DZ had pink eye today on the stream. I don't know if he had red eyes or what the deal was, but I don't think he has pink eye. If he does, I did not give it to him because I don't have pink eye. Hashtag forget about it. Let's see. Skiing equal. Listen, Skiing is not slacking off when you're one of the hardest working people in the world. I will say that. TJ's one of the hardest, probably the hardest worker. Ben and TJ, everybody here are the hardest workers I've ever seen. People always putting in extra hours, never complaining about it. So yeah, when you work that hard, sometimes you need a skiing trip. Hashtag 24-hour live stream. Oh boy, I have a feeling we're not gonna get rid of that. Day off when BitBoy Crypto at full live content output. It's hump day. That's right. It's hump day. Maybe we'll take a break today. Okay. Aaron says, I'm one ETH richer, baby. Yeah. Congratulations on that. That was a win. If I was in his situation, I would have taken the dare in 2 seconds. So congratulations to Aaron. Will says, what happens in Vegas? We need to buy a helmet and pads for future challenges. Yes. How funny would that be if I walked on set with a helmet and knee pads on, or elbow pads? Let's see, 15-minute trading session on 1 minute time frame challenge. Yeah, guys, Rafi, that's the stuff. Yeah, those are the kind of challenges that I think would be really fun to see, because it could be really painful for me and it could be fun. Skying. When you do what you never work, love you. When you do what you love, it doesn't feel like work. I think that's what Will's trying to say. Yes, agreed. That is absolutely true. I think that's the case for everybody that works here. We just do what we love. It doesn't feel like work. If you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. There it is. Jimmy Two Shoes coming through with it. We're looking at AVAX, guys. That's going to be the last thing we look at. I did not forget. Don't worry. Forget about it. And we're out. All right, here we go. AVAX. Let's take a look at AVAX. Boom, boom, boom. I think I have it here. I don't know if you guys saw. I was kind of fibbing about the Red Bull thing. Sorry about that. Let's see. AVAX. Boom. Is this? Okay. Boom. There we go. Let's get rid of these. Oh, I guess this is actually maybe I can learn you something here. Let's see. Boom. Trend line. Boom. Okay. So, not the best example, but no, I won't even go over it. Anyway. Oh God, they came back. Go away. Okay. AVAX. Let's look at the 1 hour. A lot of the altcoins, guys, they all look the same. That's why I don't look at all of them. I know you guys like when I look at them, so I do try to do as much as possible. But a lot of times, like, you know, a lot of things. Rising tides raises all ships. That's what I always say. You know, it's if Bitcoin's going up, usually everything else is kind of following it, and if Bitcoin go down, everything go down. Let's pull a fib, I guess. Let's go to the daily and do it. Boom. All right, let's see. Let's pull it from here. Let's have a little bit of fun. Actually, let's go from here. Boom. Boom. All right. Well, we are approaching. Let's go down to a lower time frame. That looks weird. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm not even really going to go into this just because I do expect most things to kind of correct a little bit because Bitcoin, that daily VWAP is coming down. So maybe we got maybe have a little bit of a correction coming up. And yeah, I think, let's see, what's Bitcoin at right now? Yeah. Where is ETH? I do kind of want to leave you guys. Let's pull up. Come on, where is my market cipher B? All right, let's see here. Where are we on the 1 hour? Looking for some sort of entry here. But yeah, I mean, every coin essentially is going to have the daily VWAP coming down. As I said, money flow coming up, so I think we will have upside. But that daily VWAP is probably going to bring us down just a little bit. Like I said, for Bitcoin, kind of just looking at the worst case scenario, not worst case scenario, but like how far I think it's going to bring us. Yeah, we're on the daily VWAP comes down right from here. or maybe from, let's say from this wick, right? This is about 42K. I think we'll stick this. Maybe even if we wick below it a little bit, I'm not too worried. I think 10% wouldn't be bad. Even 12% wouldn't be too horrible. Kind of be like a healthy correction. So maybe we see that happen. So remember, anything can happen. But this VWAP also, like, we were above the zero line here for quite some time, and then we came down a little bit and came right back up. So I think this will bring us down a little bit. Hashtag, that's what I think. All right, let's see. Awesome stream. Crypto Benz. I like that name, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. Welcome to the bagel factory, where we make that bread, we make that dough, we collect the baguettes, we finagle the bagels, and we get this bread. Let's see. Can I blame it on the Apple keyboard like Frankie? Will, no. It's the Apple trackpad that I don't like. I'm getting used to it on the morning streams now, but I used to bring this wired mouse up, and then Ben would make fun of me. Because he would have to turn off his trackpad, and it is kind of a hassle. So I was like, I'm just going to get used to it. But yeah, those things trip me up. I haven't used like one of those. I used to have a MacBook, but like I haven't used one of those in a really long time. John Connor says, loves me looking at alts. I love looking at them for you guys. Things haven't really, we have on some, it's more exciting some days than others. But yeah, I like looking at them for you guys. That's why at the end of the stream, I like when you guys call out the alts so I could take a look at them. 270 likes, guys. We made it this far. We're so close. 116 viewers, and we're at 270 likes. I love it. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Definitely blame it on the keyboard. Love you looking at it all. Short question mark. Yeah, so to be 100% honest with that, I might look to short ETH. I might look to short ETH a little bit. Keep an eye out on my Twitter, okay? If I do take the ETH short, I'll let you guys know. Frankie_candles. I'll put it out there. Not financial advice. You should not copy people's trades. It's not a good idea because then you lose. If you lose, you get mad. If you win, you think like, I don't know. I just do your own research. If what other people say is matching up with what you think, and you basically, when you take a trade, you want to take a trade because you see why it's a good trade, not just because someone said something. If someone mentions that, hey, this looks like a good setup, and then you look at it and you're like, oh, wow, that does look like a good setup, and you agree with it, and then you take the trade, that's different. But keep an eye out on Twitter. I'll let you guys know if I do enter a short here. But for Bitcoin, I mean, this would have been the moment right here, or here. Not a bad spot either. If you caught up here. Maybe not even here. If that VWAP plays out, I mean, we'll probably come down. But look at this, coming up to that 45K resistance. We were saying this. This is key resistance. Expect moves off of the key resistance. Look at that, 5%, 10x leverage. You're making 50% on your money. Huge. Let's see. Pull up the moon phase indicator. We will do that. V Slim said. I'm late, start over. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. V Slim's late, so we're just gonna run it back here. Thank you for coming back. Today we're gonna be, no, my God, imagine. Let's see. How can we not have something bread related on the wheel? Yeah. It's gonna be a necessity to eat a bagel really fast on that wheel or something like that. Let's see, VGX on the Binance chart. Let's see, I want a shirt that shows a pic of sauce plus candles plus equals bagels. Oh, you guys are good. I gotta take a picture of all these chats so I can remember. That's funny. Sauce plus candles equals bagel. Oh my God, that's good. Yo, Frankie, what's good? Wendell, how you doing? We're chilling. Hit the likes. We're actually just winding down here. But yeah, 273. I mean, guys, we smashed through that 250 again. I think we're starting to find support on the 250 like level. But we'll have to see if we can hold it. Jimmy Void in the money. Let's go, Jimmy Two Shoes. Bada bing, bada boom. That's what we're talking about. Give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, he eats for a lifetime. Thanks for teaching us to fish, Frankie. Neil, I appreciate that. Anytime, I'll be showing you guys how to fish, how to make bagels, and I'm going to be giving you the sauce every single day on this channel. I think that's all I got for today's stream, guys. Again, if you are new, thank you. If this is your first stream, thank you so much for coming. Hashtag, let's end it with some hashtag values if you guys learned something, or hashtag bing bongs if you learned something. But yeah, if you're new, thank you so much. I'm on here every single day, same time, 5:45. We're usually on for about 2 hours, or however long we're just kind of chit-chatting. And yeah, we're spitting the knowledge. I'm giving you the Sunday sauce. We're making the bagels. We're counting the sesame seeds in the New York Bagel Factory, so you don't have to. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all more than you think. And I think that's all I got. Frankie Candles out.